A long time ago in Wind Gap, PA, there was a noise disturbance in a nearby school. And who did they send? BRD, Noise and Vibration Control. Hi, I'm Michael Laura from East Hills Middle School. I'm broadcasting to you today from the Republic Senate Chamber to inform you about BRD, Noise and Vibration Control. BRD, Noise and Vibration Control, are based out of Wind Gap, Pennsylvania, but they work and do jobs across the world. They manufacture products that help soundproof business across the world and make our world a little quieter.
All my friends and family think that I just do math all day long. And when it comes to being a design engineer, it's more than just math. The job is way more fun than just crunching numbers all day long.
My name is Catherine Parry. My position is, senior sewing machine operator. It entails sewing whatever's that BRD needs, whether it's a VAV box or a fence enclosure or compressor covers, anything that needs to be sewed, we do. Don't sew that exactly right, it doesn't fit on a unit, and then you have to redo it. So sewing is a very tedious job.
My name is Brittany. I am a machine operator at BRD. My job entails cutting all the raw materials that we use for our covers, curtains, VAV boxes. Basically, I cut everything that has to be sewn.
Manufacturing is something that, not a lot of people see every day. Not a lot of people see what goes behind the scenes. You go to the store, you buy a product, and you just see a price on there. What you don't see is the time it takes to make those products.
Many don't think about it, but manufacturers are the everyday heroes of life. Thank you to BRD for your time and making our world a little bit quieter.